In this lesson, we're going to look at some of the easiest ways to solve a word problem. This example is from class, and the question reads, an object drops 20 meters from a cliff. If it started at rest and is going 20 meters per second just before it hits the ground, what is its acceleration? If you come across a question like this and you have a hard time understanding, sometimes drawing a picture helps. So in this case, I'm going to draw a 20-meter cliff right there. I have an object up top and it's starting at rest. That means the velocity of this object right now is 0 meters per second. It is going nowhere. There's our little, there. Now, it is going 20 meters per second just before it hits the ground. So it falls off, and just before it reaches the ground here, it's at 20 meters per second. If it starts at rest, that's its initial velocity. And if it's going 20 meters just before it hits the ground, that's its final velocity. And the question asks right here, what is its acceleration? So what we're going to do here is list all of our variables. We have a VI, a VF, a change in position, and we're looking for acceleration. So when you're trying to figure out what equation to use, look at these variables. Evaluate what you have and what you're looking for. For this particular equation, we are going to use the formula A equals VF squared minus VI squared over 2 delta X, which is your change in position. That means we have 20 squared minus 0 squared over 2 times 20. A, once we do this math, equals 400 over 40. And to make this math easy on us, we cancel those out and we simply divide 4 by 40, which means that our acceleration is 10. And even if you don't carry through the units on all of these measurements, you will always know that acceleration is meters per second squared, and that's always going to be on the board. And that's how you're left with your answer.